So we're going to go with the audio port next. I will say, always use a Fume extractor for this kind of stuff, because you may think, it won't be on long, I can just hold my breath. Yeah, no, because that stuff is going to fly around in the air for ages and ages and ages. And it's not good. It's mainly the flux that will get you. If you can't get one of the ones that just vent outside, because obviously they're very expensive, and plus the whole installation nonsense and everything, you can get these desk ones that I've got here, which is just basically a reverse fan with a carbon filter, so it captures all the nasties.